All right, Merapone. Back on video here. Ah, oh, scary. Mercury scary. Merapone, somebody lost a sand over there, Merapone.
I know it.
So, Merapone, what you got here, buddy?
I got a, what do you call it? A Motley Crue repainted.
Yeah, but that looks pretty dang good to me compared to what it was before. Dang, they look sweet. I like the silver color, it's pretty cool.
Well, I just had those and I said, what the heck?
Why not?
Why not?
Yeah. Ah, oh, damn it, you know what? I forgot you freaking strike.
Oh, that's okay.
God damn it, yeah. Damn it. I forgot about that shot I get tomorrow. Damn it. Man, that looks pretty sweet. He's just slick too.
A lot of daggone work.
I know. Tell me about it. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, right. Oh, you see, you guys use some red tape over there, huh?
Yeah. I had to come all the way down to Hope, wherever it is.
Home Depot. No,
Lowe's to find it, but
no, that's pretty good.
they had it.
Yeah, you try this pick control, everything's good to go.
Yeah.
Yep. That's what the motor there, 16 something kV, right?
Yeah, it's what came in it.
That's good, sweet tape right there, man. It's almost perfect. Oh, yeah, that's so easy to take. That's a good thing about this boat.
Yeah, it's a whole lot easier.
Did you get the other boat?
No, hell no.
You didn't get it.
You know, I always get a confirmation kind of thing from them that it been shipped.
How much they charge you for the shipping?
$20.
Really?
But I never got that. They've been paid by PayPal, but I haven't got a confirmation yet that it has been shipped. So I don't know what's going on. Normally, I mean, every other time I always got a you know, they sent me an email.
Yeah. For the PayPal, if the PayPal should know. All right, man. Let me get that, baby, Merapone. Oh, here we go. Oh, that bitch is sweet. I'm trying to get my finger.
They weigh 400 pounds, don't
Hey, who cares? Nah, actually, don't weigh as much as the last one you had. All right. God damn. All right. Dang. Shit. Damn it, bro. It's not bad, eh?
Not bad, but it's certainly fast.
You know what you need to do, right? Throw 6 sails in the air.
Yeah, I guess that would make a difference.
I think you speak of trucking whole 6 sails, right?
I don't know. That's only 120 air.
Well, if you can with the boat, the sail you can put 6 sails in. I know that motor will run 6 sails, no problem.
Yeah.
God damn, it's pretty much the same as before, ain't it? It's probably running maybe 35, maybe.
Yeah, it's not running very fast.
Do we have any water? Any water out of? Is the water coming out of the back of that thing?
I don't know. I got a 42 prop on it.
What is it? That's 16. That's the motor that came with the Pursuit.
Right.
It has a 42 prop in it.
Yeah.
No, it's not a prop's good. Oh, damn, that smells sweet. See how long it'll run. Suddenly screaming.
Wide open.
Yeah, it's nice. Maybe doing 30, maybe 35. We get one running. Check it out. Oh man, you can let some people on it. You know what I like? It's not stirring the water that much. See the water? The water?
Yeah.
It's not turning the pound up. You know what I mean? Whoa!
Almost got it.
I think you did got it.
Oh, well. Drive's beautiful.
Yep.
It's just,
You
the
know-
attitude looks good.
You know you can get the what you call the you can get the 3674 2000 and some kb TFL motor that came on the that comes with the TFL boats. He's just got it over there. It's like $48 for the motor.
Is that right?
Yeah, what's his name sells them? Quinte sells them.
Oh,
Yeah, is it done?
it's done.
Okay. Yeah, Quinte's got that motor. Oh, of course, the water, little outlet over there. It's gonna be hard to see, but that's pretty cool. I'm sure there's water coming out of it. I'm sure.
Yeah, it's got to. I pressure tested it. Make sure it had no leaks.
Okay. Hey, man, get that little thing in there. There you go. That's it in there. See what's the temperatures on the motor. I'm sure there's nothing in there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about with the tape.
Yeah.
It's a good tape, yeah. That's the same running hot water. I thought it was black. No, it was black.
It was.
Oh, okay. You sound blasted it.
I blasted, buddy. Absolutely.
Man, beautiful. Oh yeah.
Hey, it is what it is.
I mean, what the hell? Compared to what what it was.
Yeah.
Compared to being a disabled boat forever, you know, put it back in the water, it still looks pretty good. Yeah, let's see what you got here. Oh man, everything's nice and cool. Oh shit, the motor ain't even fucking
No,
more.
the batteries are not hot. Oh my
Nothing's
God.
hot.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright.
So I guess everything is all right.
Everything's beautiful, Merapone. What you say the last word, Merapone?
I love it.